Welcome to Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj, and this is the largest congregation, religious congregation in the world. And I give you some interesting news. In fact, I have come to this particular place, which is called Chit Shakti Trust. And you know, the reason why I'm coming here is that the economy is also being given a major boost with the spiritual intake, with the spiritual thought process. Right now I'm this particular place, they are selling different kind of religious items, if I may say. Do you have these items, then you have some scents and other stuff which are very important when it comes to spirituality, religious activities. I have with me, what's your name, sir?
My name is Ashish Vyas.
Ashish. Mr. Ashish, we see a lot of activities here. We see a lot of stuff that you guys have made. What is the whole purpose of getting it here in Mahakumbh?
See, when we are at Mahakumbh, we had made an intention that we want to present to the world the products which support their spiritual practices, so that their focus goes inward. Because Mahakumbh is all about finding your own self,
Right.
residing in your own heart. So when we came here with the intention that through Chit Shakti Trust, we will provide the finest quality spiritual yoga and aroma products at appropriate cost, and become the most trusted and respected entity. So all these products that you see here start with the meditation oil, which you can use while doing any religious puja or simply doing your spiritual practices.
These books are quite spiritual in nature, giving a in-depth analysis of how the Sanatan Dharma has progressed over the years. It gives an insight in that.
These are meditation asanas. So when you do your spiritual practices or any rituals, you should sit on an asana that is made of white wool. So the white wool that we have brought here is pure quality. It's very high grade quality.
So basically, going back in time, when these things were practiced in its originality, right? Am I right? These people have been talking about there is economy, there is spirituality, and at the same time, it showcases India's rich culture and tradition. This is Taposh Bhattacharya for GD India from Prayagraj.